I will use my center is 0, so I'm just going to have x. Right, now this time they're asking me to solve for x, so the things that I need to fill in whoops. The things I need to fill in are this m, and I need to solve for this x. I'm not going to be plugging in, I'm going to be solving for this x, but they gave me the bound. Right? That's 5 times 10 to the negative 4th is going to be less than or equal to m over 5 factorial. So now I just go to find m. Well, m, remember, is the maximum value of the 5th derivative. Well, working our way backwards, if f is sine x, f prime is cosine x, f double prime is negative sine x, f triple prime is negative cosine x. The 4th derivative is sine x. And so I'm looking at cosine x. What is the maximum value of cosine x on I don't care what interval, right? Hello, range of cosine. The range of cosine is between -1 and 1. The same with sine, shockingly, and negative sine and negative cosine. So the m that I'm going to be using is 1. So taking that m and plugging it there means I'm simply solving this inequality. Multiply both sides by 5 factorial, and you get 0.06. Okay, whatever, I'm just going to be, I don't care about, again, positive, you're putting in x or you're putting in negative x, whatever, what's going on here. And I really just want to care about what's the maximum, or worst case, I should say. Which means that as long as I keep x within there's my absolute value, right? My center's at 0. As long as I go no farther left than negative 5th root of 0.06 to the right of positive 5th root of 0.06, and that way, if I put any of these values of x into my polynomial, so using x minus x cubed over 6 to approximate values of sine x, as long as you use x's between these two values, your error will be no greater than 5 times 10 to the negative 4th. Pretty crazy, eh? All right, I'm going to go out in the snow with my family. You guys have fun, and I will see you tomorrow.